Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. Today we're out doing a little bit of gardening. We're planting some things. I have here a little pecan that I really like. I'm going to plant this here. And we're just going to kind of talk about planting a little bit. So one of the first things you want to do is harden your plant off, and that usually involves introducing it gradually to the outdoor weather. Set it on the porch, a few hours, a little longer, move it out. Now there are ways to do that if you don't have time, and that will be a separate video. So we have a plant that's hardened off, or a plan. Next thing is soil temperature. The soil temperature here at root depth, where I'm taking the soil temperature, is about 80 degrees, which is pretty good for putting out peppers. So most things, with the exception of tomatoes, you want to plant them so that the root ball is flush with the ground. So I've dug a hole, that's a little on the deep side. Let's see, that's the depth we're after. Now we're going to check and make sure that it's not root bound. We'll put it in this hole and we'll gently fill in around it and crumble the soil as we go. So that looks pretty good. So we're going to settle that soil with water. Now this is another important thing. If your hose has been laying in the sun, check the temperature of the water. It's a nice cloudy day today, so the water is still cool, but on a sunny, hot day, this water can be scalding, and that could kill your plant before it ever grew. So we're going to settle that in like this, using the water, and we'll let that set for a while, and we'll come back and adjust it if we need to. So again, you want to harden off your plant, or have a plan. You want to plant with an appropriate soil temperature, 80-ish for chilies, eggplant, some things like that really like the heat. Cooler for other things, like if you're setting out lettuce or broccoli. So that's the basics of planting things out.